Here at Heartland, we run carbonated soft drinks for the Coca-Cola Company. Everything that is in that portfolio, we're capable of running.
This facility at Olathe was built to be the example of what a production facility could look like.
When we entered into the process of building this facility, we looked at a number of other vendors in other spaces, but when it came to processing, we wanted to partner with the company that we knew would partner with us, and that's Statco-DSI.
Statco-DSI provided a full turnkey beverage processing solution from the sweetener in the door to the batching of the different flavors, all the way to ensuring that the first can coming off the line is in spec.
One of my favorite things about Statco is their bandwidth. Having one supplier be very involved in our water system, our batching system, and our production and blenders has been very helpful, and the equipment seems to work well together.
Statco-DSI was able to provide a fully integrated turnkey solution. There wasn't various pieces of equipment that had to be fitted together and forced together. It was one continuous solution. Hit a button and it works.
With DSI Statco equipment, one thing is just how efficient it is. It uses less water and has allowed us to reduce our sanitation times, and it allows us to have the flexibility and the consistency to be able to change over and run products, day in and day out.
My favorite piece of equipment is the blenders. The blenders is kind of what brings it all together. They are able to deliver very high, very precise quantities of each one of the attributes that go into our product.
At Heartland, we don't look for just vendors or OEMs, we look for partners. And that's exactly what DSI Statco has been throughout this project.
DSI Statco did not just focus on their area. They partnered with our partners.
We're not just an equipment supplier. We're experts in our own equipment and in process engineering in general, so that when questions come up that don't necessarily pertain to us, we're there for the customer, telling them what we think will give them the best solution.
They're helping you identify what you can do better. They're also honest about what they can do better, and that always yields a great result.
Anytime we've reached out to DSI Statco, whether it's during the day or at midnight, they make you feel as if you are the priority, because there's always an open communication.
I enjoyed working with their team of project managers, engineers, integrators, because they knowledge share. So there's definitely not a knowledge-based gap between Heartland's personnel and DSI.
If you have an issue arise, they are partnering with you like they are part of the team. They understand the importance of what we do and their role in that. If you want to make sure that processing is not the thing that's keeping you up at night, Statco-DSI can deliver that.